3.5-liter V6 engine producing 278 horsepower, 265 pound-foot torque. Crawl control is designed for driving at difficult terrains. Tacoma TRD Off-Road features multi-terrain select, with 5 modes to choose from. Panoramic view monitor. 4 exterior cameras give you a 360-degree view of what's around your Tacoma. Bilstein shocks help soak up the impacts of the trail. Blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. Electronically locking rear differential distributes engine power evenly to both rear wheels so they move at the same speed, providing more grip in low traction conditions. Max towing. 6,800 pounds. Max payload. 1,155 pounds. Rigid Industries LED fog lights. TRD Pro skid plate. Aggressive front fascia. TRD tuned Fox internal bypass shocks. 16-inch TRD Pro wheels. Atkinson Cycle 3.5-liter V6 with direct injection is the perfect blend of efficiency and power. Available 6-speed manual transmission. Trailer sway control. Audio multimedia with available 8-inch screen. JBL Premium Audio System. Amazon Alexa. 4.2-inch color multi-information display. Composite bed composed of an ultra-durable, fiber-reinforced sheet-molded composite surface. Deck rail system, for heavy-duty adjustable tie-down cleats. 120-volt outlet. Insulated bed storage keeps your things chilled. Embossed tailgate with grade-specific taillights. LED headlights. Available. Nightshade Special Edition. A tough and refined interior. 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat that includes 2-way lumbar support. Dual-zone automatic climate control. Power rear window. Hill Start Assist control. This technology helps minimize Tacoma from rolling backward when you move your foot from the brake to the gas pedal, so you can move upward with confidence. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. Automatic high beams. Dynamic radar cruise control. Lane departure alert. Remote connect. Destination assist. Service connect.